Ito yung mga financial-related preparations na ginagawa ko before traveling. Una, mag-ipon. Kung magkano ang ipunin, depende yan sa cost of living ng bansang pupuntahan mo. Kung outside Southeast Asia ka magta-travel at kailangan mo ng visa, rule of thumb ay mag-ipon at least 10,000 pesos per day. Kung magsistay ka doon ng 10 days, safe amount in your bank account would be 100,000 pesos. Of course, the more, the merrier. Pangalawa, nagre-request ako ng bank certificate and bank statement. Kung mag-apply ka ng visa sa Japan or Korea, kailangan mo talaga yan i-request sa bank at dapat may seal yung mga documents na yon. Personally, kahit sa Southeast Asia lang rin ako pupunta or kahit sa ang visa-free country, I still keep copies of my bank certificate and bank statement. Hinahanda ko lagi in case hanapin ng immigration officer bago ako lumabas ng Pilipinas. Never pa naman siya hinahanap sa akin, but better be safe than sorry. Pangatlo, bago rin ako malis, I make sure that I bring multiple debit and credit cards. May cases kasi na nagkakaroon ng technical issues at hindi gumagana yung cards natin abroad, kaya maigin na rin na may backup. Pang-apat na ginagawa ko, i-activate yung debit cards ko for international use. Sa BPI, makikita niyo yan sa card control under card settings. Kung wala sa mobile application ng banks nyo, better call your bank and give them a heads up na gagamitin niyo yung cards nyo abroad. Panglima, tumatawag ako sa credit card company ko to give them a heads up na gagamitin ko yung card ko abroad. This way, hindi mabablock yung card ko for suspicious transactions. Minsan kasi, lalo na kung first time mo palang gagamitin yung card mo abroad, may tendency na mablock kasi hindi usual na meron kang bank transaction doon sa bansang yon. Just to avoid such incident, give your banks a heads up. Lastly, kumukuha ako ng local currency ng bansang pupuntahan ko. I either withdraw cash abroad or exchange money at my go-to money changer sa Philippines. Kung paano ako nagde-decide, you can just watch my previous videos. Usually, nagbubook na ako ng hotel and activities ko via Klook para bayaran ko na rin in advance at para in peso ko siya babayaran. That way, makakaiwas ako sa forex and konting cash na lang rin yung i-withdraw ko abroad. So, kung meron rin kayong i-book via Klook, you can also use my discount codes para makatipid kayo. Safe travels!